G'day, here's a small parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The material's been wetted to help highlight the colours. Rules in millimetres. That's 150 millimetres across there. So you can use that as a guide for your sizing. Okay, I've just gone in a bit closer so you can get a better idea. A few pieces of Koroit material in this. It's got a nice eye of colour there. It looks like it goes through to here. Possibly. There's no guarantee. There's a couple of interesting faces there. Perhaps what you could do is slice off a slice here to start with and see where it goes from there. A few pieces Koroit in this deal. Here's another piece with colour. Colour runs across here. Nice pattern. Get a few nice slices off that. This is Boulder Opal from somewhere else. Seam running through here. Might open. Get another face or two. Face there. This is what's called botryoidal. I've seen somebody else call it rice bubble matrix. As you can see here, the little nodule's got opal on the top. When you grind this, you might get nice patterns of opal. Don't know with this, it hasn't been opened to see. Down here indicates it's a bit more from Koroit material. I don't know where it came from. Here's a piece with faces of potch. May well run underneath there. Couple more pieces of potchy colour. It's got quite nice flash there, a bit of Koroit. Might end up cutting a nice stone out of that. Piece of Boulder with a flash, sorry, not a flash, a face, and eye, colour in the middle. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.